Welcome guys. We're going to try to answer this question. Let S is equals to a relation X belongs to R, where X is greater than equals to 0, and we're given this equation. So first let's take a look at this equation. 2 modulus under root x minus 3 plus under root x minus 6 plus 6 equals to 0. So we have to find how many elements can the S contain, the relation contain. So there can be two conditions. When x is greater than 0, that we are already given, is less than 3, or x is greater than equals to 3. Yes? So let's first let's take this equation first. X greater than equals to 3. Yeah. So we have the equation 2 under root x minus 6, because x is greater than 3, plus x minus 6 root x plus 6 equals to 0. So solving this, we have x minus 2 minus 6, 4 root 6, 4 root x equals to 0. So which implies either root x equals to 4 or root x equals to 0. Yeah. Now let's take the second condition, where x is less than 3. So we have 2 into 3 minus root x plus root x into root x minus 6 plus 6 equals to 0, and x is less than 3. So we have 6 minus 2 root x plus x minus 6 root x plus 6 equals to 0. Implies we have x minus 8 root x equals to 0 plus 12 equals to 0. Yeah, 6 plus 6. So now we have x under root x whole square minus 6 root x minus 2 root x plus 12 equals to 0. Yeah. So this implies under root x can have two roots, 2 and 6. Implies x equals to 4. So the correct answer is contains exactly two elements, 0 and 4.